This 2022 Keystone Hideout 272BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep's 10, carbon monoxide detector, awning, air conditioning, slide-out, smoke detector, oven, water heater, LP detector, microwave, stovetop burner, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Hideout 272BH is 6,088 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.